Hey guys, welcome back. So I don't know if you can see, but on the table I have a bunch of sockets right now, and using a paint pen to go and fill these in, and using just a regular rag and some brake clean, carb clean, and just wiping all the excess off some of the old, like that. And you get nice clear letters, especially with the impact stuff. So that's what I've been working on, just slowly working on it. I don't know if it just, what's it called? Haven't given this stuff enough time to dry, and some of it's wiping off too fast or what. But the goal isn't to make it perfect, just good enough where you can see, and like that, that's a big one. And I'm gonna use a different paint marker for the 1/4 inch stuff, so differentiate, even if like it's hard to see with the chrome. Yeah, I can see right here off the thing, but like it blends in so easy. So I'm gonna use a paint marker and go through. We'll catch up in a minute when we start doing those ones. Okay, so ended up being the next day, so I ended up doing a lot of about half my sockets so far. So I did all the impacts, that one, even the oxygen sensor. Not perfect, but better legible. I even ended up doing little 1/4 inch. Not the best, but I still got a bunch more to do in different colors, but I need to get some more colors first. I gotta do the 3/8 drive in a color. I gotta do both 1/2 inch in a color. I gotta do SAE in a color. SAE 3/8 still. This is all 3/8 right here. Then the SAE 1/2 inch. Let's see. I even did the SAE in blue. So it's a work in progress still, but I started doing the wrenches. I did these in blue, and I think I'm gonna continue them in blue. Supposed to be getting some new dividers pretty soon, but this is the paint pen I've been using right here. These are pretty good markers. You can get them at Walmart, any hobby store like Michael's or Hobby Lobby. They're like about $2.99 a pen, but they last pretty long. I just want to thank you guys for watching, and we will see you next time. Peace.